你妈的，他会是 blind. I don't think he'll be happy. Okay. I also very friendly, you know.
We are only following our orders.
What's the two countries?
We have no intention of doing that. Like you are.
你跟他讲，我现在有我，我到他那边去行不行？你问他我很有我。
You are a
And my colonel wants. 我现在过去行不行 ？You, if I drive the car to that, she fussies, is okay?
No, that's not the point. The point is that India is, as per Indian law, is our border meeting is 50.
好，你妈的给我结果！你跟他讲，
That point in
现在
border
你妈给我
meeting,
滚！否则有事今天一发这些后果他们知道。
Okay, if that area is disputed, you have to raise that.
I just want to tell you one
same
word.
we will raise. Okay, if we are given orders, we have to hit that point. Then we have to hit. We have no other option. Okay, if you have
My
given
colonel
some
wants
orders, you have to follow the
just
same
want to
orders.
tell you one word.
Yeah, okay.
Tell the two countries go back right now.
I'll
Go
sort.
back right.
We will go right.
If we
have no
if any argument you feel on the text consequence, you know.
See, we are not here for argument or we are not here for fighting. Okay, India is very friendly country.
不想大家就不问。
We will go back. But the point is, the way you are hitting
你
our
那讲老子今天非常是
that's
吃不。
very wrong. Okay, that's not the way.
If you don't want to fight each other.
See, if we have any miscommunication, if we have some way, so we can talk. Okay, instead of hitting the vehicle, and that's a big loss.
Go.
Okay,
老子不喜欢他们。
again, we are go back right now. We are going right. Okay, we are going right
My
now.
colonel don't want
We
to.
are already going. It's your vehicle that come in front of us. That's why we stop.
你们今天
Otherwise,
是
we
非
are
常吃不。
okay.
你说他妈的，我今天做了，他们给他讲，他妈的保证我不敢，今天他们都死到这地方。